Guys been? How is the project treating you? Hope we're good, and I hope you are still doing hard things. Alright guys, today we'll be looking at this topic: 0 times 0 BC memory allocation and free. We're going to be going through the answers to your project and just to help you out get the best score. Dynamic memory allocation is what all of this is about. How to allocate memory to the variables that you will be working with in C, and how to know what appropriate memory each of these variables are going to take up in the system that you are proposing to use them on when you're building an application or whatever you want to build with them. So without further ado, let us go straight into the point. Be sure to go over the materials, the resources that are provided. Remember what I said, whenever you see anything like this, just copy it, go to Google and paste it. It will give you more details about what that thing is talking about. It will help you. Remember, I also said do not depend solely on the materials provided. Research, go to Google, go to some websites, connect on LinkedIn, watch YouTube videos. You are going to get more information about the things that are provided here for you. General requirements are VI, Vim, Emacs. You'll be compiling your code with GCC. It should be Betty standard. It must have a README. Your putcha can get it here. You can see this is clickable, so when you click it to open putcha for you, you can copy it and use VI to create underscore putcha and put the contents there. But just as always, I have a Google document that has all of the codes written there. So check the description box, click on it, and you'll see the code. If it's not clickable on the description box, you can go to the comment section. It will sure be clickable from the comment section. Okay, that being said, all the files you're going to be creating must have a main.c file, so it will be provided for you there as well. So quickly, let us go over the quiz for those who are having problem with the quiz. Valgrind is a program to validate memory allocation. How many bytes will this statement allocate? 40. How many bytes will this statement allocate? 8. So sorry, here they are, each and every one of them. So quickly are going to be going over to the tags. So we're using git bash for this project. Remember I said whenever you are here, just cd, and then we'll be going into the ALX low level programming repo that you already have in your command line. You already have it saved here. You cloned it, so it is available here. So you cd into that. Once you cd into that, what's the next thing for you to do? Go here, then you will see that you're meant to be creating this directory. So copy this directory from here. And you create your directory. You do mkdir, and then you paste the name of the directory in order not to make mistake. It already exists in my command line, so what do? I cd into that directory. So we're here. When you ls, you will see the contents of this directory for me. I have all the files created. I have the main.c of every file. 0 create array.c. Here is the main.c file. The main.c is available in the question. So it's not something that's difficult to see. So you see the cat the main.c for you here. Cat 0 main.c, for instance. This is what should be in your 0 main.c. Okay, all the way to the last curly bracket. Okay, so that's the content of your main.c. Remember, you have to have what's it called, the butcher that contains all your prototypes. Okay, so remember to create your butcher when you're creating this thing. Then you have the main.h file. Don't forget to create your main.h file. Any file, any task you see that has a prototype, it has to have a main.h that contains all the prototype in order for the codes that you are building to work. So don't forget to do that. Like I always say, whenever you want to start working, start with your readme so that you don't forget it. So the first thing we're doing here, we'll be creating our readme. Okay, so when we create our readme, I just put a simple statement in my readme here. You can choose to put what you want in the readme. It's just to describe what you have already there. Okay, so what's the next thing? You want to create your main.h. So IVI main.h. IVI main.h. You see the content of your main.h. Alright, so I want to quit. If you want to write inside your VI, you use I, which is insert, and you write whatever you want to write inside your VI. Then when you want to quit, you use escape colon WQ to save and quit. But in my case, I'm just going to do Q because I don't want to save and quit. So I have it right here. Okay, so I clear. No need to clear. What's the next thing? Remember, I said create all these files so that you won't forget them. Underscore butcher.c. Alright, there's the content of the butcher.c. When you click that place I showed you at the beginning of this project, that is this clickable something here. When you click it, you're going to get your butcher from there. It's not hidden. Okay, you can see it's clickable. So when you click this, it's going to take you to where you get your butcher. Alright, so after that is done, come back here. I want to colon WQ in your case, but me, I'll be doing just Q. Alright, I quit. So what's the next thing I am creating? Have we done our main.h? Good, we've done the main.h, we've done the readme. Then for every file you'll be creating, try to create the main.c file of the file that you excuse me, sorry. So try to create the main.c file of every file that you are going to be creating. Okay, so like I said, I have the codes all here for you. Be sure to go to the description or check the comment section. You will see the codes. The first file here is 0-create underscore array.c. Here it is, the name of the file. So you just do vi, you copy this. Okay, by the time you enter, you see the contents of the file here. That's the same thing that we have here. So you'll be creating that. Alright, up to this point, forget about the line, don't copy the line. Alright, so we're doing this, and when you create that file, you are also creating the main.c file that accompany it. We're back into this git bash now. You press escape colon WQ in your own case, but me, I'm doing Q because I don't want to save it. Alright, so here we go. So what's the next thing we are going to be doing? 0-main.c, because we created 0-create underscore array.c. The next thing is to create 0-main.c. So after that is created, we move to the next point here, which is what? We'll compile the code. Remember to compile your code using the GCC compiler that has been provided, the GCC compile code that has been provided, which is what? It is here, because it's down here. You just copy this. If that file is present in your uh, directory, and you copy this code here, it is going to compile the file for you. It is going to compile it for you, and then it will save the output in this last letter here. Whenever you see this -o, the next thing following it is where the executable file of the document that you have created is going to be saved. That's all this highlighted in green. So you can see the A here. The next one, you will see all of them as we keep going. So when you compile this code, it will save inside here. Alright, so that's what you need to do. Once you compile that, like I said, I don't like to git add, git push, and git commit, but you can decide to do that at this point. Git add, git commit with a message, and then git push for this one to be sure that you are done with this particular task. Once you do that, the next thing you should do is just to check your code here. You are 100% done with that particular one. But if you don't want to git add, git commit, and git push at this point, you can keep going. You can keep going. Create this file 1-strdup.c, then you create 1-main.c. All of these are created here. I will advise, when you want to start working, just create all your main.c files so that you don't forget them. They are all present, like you see where I showed them to you in this number 2, for instance. This is your main.c, cat2 main.c. It goes all the way from here down to here. But like I said, I have it here for you as well, just in case you are not picking it up from that side. You can pick it up from here. So cat2 main.c is present right here. It's present right here to main.c. That's the content of the file. So just in case you don't want to get it from there, you can get it from the Google documents that has been provided. So what next are we going to do? Like I said, create all your main.c files if you want, from the beginning to the end. Create all the main.c files, then you can start creating the files that you are required to create in this project. Okay, so after that is done, you go to number 3. You create this, you create this, and then you create the main.c file that accompany it. Always remember to compile your code after you have created this number 2, for example. Is this number 2? Let me see. Yes, this number 2, for example. This is the compile code here. Right? When you copy this compile code and paste on your command line, it's going to compile the file if it is present. In my case, it is present because I've created the file, but in your case, you need to create the file and create the main.c file. If you don't create the main.c file, all these things you are seeing here will give you problem. It will tell you that it cannot find this file, it cannot find this other file as well. So these two files have to be created before this GCC code can compile them for you. So when the GCC code compiles these two files for you, it's going to save the output inside this file here. Okay, so that being said and done, what's the next thing you do? You can git add, git commit, and git push at this point, because that one is complete. What do? You go check your code and you have it 100% complete. Remember to check the comment section or check the description just to see those codes and the way they are supposed to be written. Alright, you do the same for number 4. You do the same for number 5, which is the advanced tags. 100 argument store args storstr, whatever this is, .c. Then you compile it. git add, git commit, and git push after you have compiled it. So guys, don't forget to create your putcha like I said, create your readme like I said, create your main.h. All these things are things that might give you problem with checker. Then create all your main.c files from 0 main.c to 101 main.c. These are all the main.c that are available here. They are all available in the question, so be sure to create all of them for yourself here. Okay, so after everything is said and done, what's the next thing that you need to do? Like I said, sometimes I like to just keep it to the last. I do my git add, double ampersand, git commit, with a message. I like to use updated, double ampersand, then I do my git push. If there is no problem, all of this is gonna just go. But as you can see here, I have some untracked files that I would since I changed my commit message, I'm definitely going to have some untracked files, but if I use the same commit message I used in the original, I won't have them there. So we won't go through all of this right now and why they are not pushing, but in your own case it should push without any error. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial, so let us be sure to subscribe to the this channel, click the notification bell so that you can always have notification wherever we drop new videos, and also leave us a comment about what we are doing. Thank you very much, and I wish you the best of luck as you continue to tackle all of your projects. See you guys.